So day 26, lads have all packed up, ready for the Christmas break. Had a load, took off today, and then the site is all locked up, ready for when they come back on the 5th of Jan. Still lots of mud. Hard to believe this time next year we'll be living there, hopefully. So that's it until after Christmas. So we're on day 27. Little Robin's just come to see us, and they've cut out the back door. Hi Robin. Also cut this window out here, so you can see that will be our food from the kitchen. What about the caravan and container? This is the second window they're starting to cut out, and they've cut the doorway through to the hall. So day 27, no digging, just knocking out walls. That'll be our view. So we're on day 28, another window been cut out today, and then they've started to dig all of the internal footings with the walls. They've done these there. Over this side here, and over there as well. So they're hoping to continue digging those tomorrow for concrete on Friday, and they've started to cut the hole out of the lintels there. So yeah, good day of digging. So we're on day 30, and the start of the windows are going to taken out on the, that's going to be our lounge. And there are the footings, the internal footings. So day 30, lots of digging and knocking down. So we're on day 31, and we've had 19 tonnes of concrete delivered and poured today in these internal fittings. So hopefully that will set over the weekend for them to finish off packing on Monday. To pump out a lot of water, and then that's the second bifold door that's being cut out, and this will be our front room. Needs a little bit of decoration, but starting to shape up.